In this video, I'll show you how to use templates in CapCut. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. The first thing we're gonna do is open up TikTok, then on the search bar, go ahead and put CapCut templates. Now here you will have a very long list of templates that you can use to play around with, so just go ahead and scroll down until you find a template that you like. Once you see the template that you want to use, what you will do is tap right here where it says try this template. Then go ahead and tap on use template in CapCut. This will automatically open up the CapCut app on your phone. Just go ahead and confirm your action. Now this will automatically open up the CapCut app on your phone so you can start adding your own videos to customize your template. After you add all your pictures or videos, go ahead and tap next, and then you will see a small preview of how your video is going to look. If you want to edit something, you can move around the pictures or videos, and this will automatically change the order of your template. And if you want to, you can also add a new song by tapping on audio and searching for the sound that you want to use. And you can also edit up the text by tapping on it, selecting the text, then go ahead and tap on edit, and you can pick a different font, a different color to make it more your own. And after you have your template ready, just simply export it, and now you can post it wherever you want to. Hope that helps.